single day. I'm gonna make something great. That's my way.
Soft and pink lips are something we all desire. Not only does it improve your appearance, but also is a sign that your lips are healthy. Chapped, or dark pigmented lips are a concern to many, but with simple remedies, you can easily lighten your lips, make them soft and pink. Almond oil deeply moisturizes your lips, making them softer and fuller. Massaging a few drops of almond oil into your lips daily will work wonders on flaky skin, and you will enjoy smoother, softer, and suppler lips. So, all you need to do is mix a tablespoon of sugar with honey to make a thick, sticky paste. Gently massage this scrub to slough off dead skin and reveal smooth and soft lips. Remember, always apply a moisturizing balm after exfoliating your lips. Make a thick paste using about half a teaspoon of turmeric and a little milk or cream, and apply this pack on your lips for about 5 minutes. The lactic acid in milk or cream will work to lighten and soften dark, pigmented, and dry lips, while the turmeric will help keep your lips healthy with its antiseptic and healing properties.